In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Shopify themes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, find a new theme, add it to your store, and make it live, all from your Shopify dashboard. This process changes the look and feel of your storefront without affecting your products or orders, so it's a safe way to refresh your brand. Start by opening your web browser and going to shopify.com. On the homepage, look for the login button and click it. You'll be taken to a secure login screen. Enter the email address associated with your Shopify account, then select Continue with Email. On the next screen, type in your password. Keep in mind that credentials are case sensitive, and for security, never share them with anyone. When you're ready, click Login to access your admin. Once you're inside your Shopify dashboard, look at the left-hand navigation and click Online Store. This opens the themes area where you manage how your storefront looks. At the top, you'll see your current live theme. Scroll down the page to view the themes available to you. Depending on your setup, you might see a theme library with options you've added before, as well as themes you can explore and use. Browsing here helps you compare styles and layouts that fit your brand and product catalog. When you find a theme you want to use, click Add on that theme. This places the theme in your library so it's ready to go. Adding doesn't change what your customers see yet. It simply saves the theme in your account so you can publish it when you're confident it's the right choice. It's a good way to line up a design before making it visible to shoppers. When you're ready to make the new design live, click Publish. Publishing immediately sets that theme as the one customers see on your storefront. Your previous theme isn't deleted, it stays in your theme library, so you can keep it for a reference or switch back later if needed. Just remember that publishing is a live change, so consider timing it during lower traffic periods to keep the customer experience smooth. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to online store, explored your available themes, added your chosen one, and published it. Switching themes is a powerful way to refresh your brand and layout while keeping your products, pages, and settings intact. If you ever want to change again, return to the same themes page and repeat these steps. Thanks for watching and enjoy your updated Shopify storefront.